Go ahead. These are from Aunt Lindsay and Uncle Jeff.
You don't want to open.
Lots of paper. You can do it.
What is it?
Let me see.
Yo-yo.
A Batman yo-yo. Cool. On to the next one
Did you
already.
have a cake, sir? I'll give that one to
He says he's going to give that one to Wyatt. Wyatt likes it. What is it? What's it
cape.
say? It's a cape. A superhero cape. Cool. We'll open it in a second. Open the next one. Here, don't do the card yet because I want to get the video. Do the video. What in the world?
Green Smash Fist! Yeah!
Let me see you. I can't see you. Wow. Look.
That should be interesting.
Oh boy. Say thank you, Aunt Lindsay and Uncle Jeff. They love you.